Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to see the potential of earning on KnowMore platform. So this is the home page. When you open knowmoreplatform.com, you will land on this page. Okay. On the very top, you can see this dialog box where they're saying earn money as a professional PowerPoint designer. Okay, and here they have given a calculator where you can find out how much you could potentially earn each month. Okay, now by default you can see that they have shown a maximum working hour of 20 to 30 hours per week. Okay, so you have options of 10 to 20 hours, 20 to 30 hours, and 30 to 40 hours, and you cannot go below that because they need a minimum of 10 hours per week to be eligible to work on this platform. Okay, so we can select by the default whatever is there, 20 to 30 working hours. Okay, now if you work for 20 to 30 hours and you are at level 5 where you are earning 10 USD per hour and you are getting 5 to 10% projects with Searchurge, you can earn potentially till 1550 USD. Okay, in 1550 USD you can actually achieve a lot per month. Okay, all right, now there is a disclaimer written below. If you click on this, they'll say be one of the best and earn above 1000 USD. This earnings estimate assumes that you always deliver high quality and maintain a good rating and does not take rework into account. Okay, so the two main things that they are focusing on this platform is the quality of work and the rating that you get from the admins, which you'll see in the next videos. Now they're also saying that you are paid 8 USD per hour until you have worked in 200 plus projects. Okay, so to reach to level 5 you need to at least do 200 projects. After 200 plus projects you will earn 10 USD per hour. After 200 projects you will earn 10 USD per hour if you can maintain a rating of 9.5 out of 10. Okay, 9.5 plus out of 10. It's a huge rating. I mean, it's a high rating if you want to mention it, or if you want to compare it. But then if you want to reach level 5 and earn more than the rest, you need to maintain a top rating there as well. Okay, now let's go back and see if someone is just starting, how much he can earn on this platform. So if you're starting, the minimum that you can work is like 10 to 20 hours a week, and you will be at level 1, and you will not have any Searchurge projects. Okay, these Searchurge projects are only available after level 3. After you cross level 2 you reach level 3. For level 3, 4 and 5 you get this projects with Searchurge. So if you are at level 1, you are just starting, or you are level 2, you can earn potentially up to this much, 350 to 650 USD. Now if you want to check for level 3 where you see the Searchurge, you can get like 5 to 10% Searchurge. You can earn up to 750 USD, and with more projects with Searchurge you can earn more as well. Okay, now let's see the hint buttons here, what they are mentioning. On the right you can see this, if you hover your mouse you can see what are the working hours. You can see changes on each level. Okay, and you can see what is Searchurge. If you click on this, Searchurge is we intend to deliver the project to our clients as soon as we can, knowing that we increase the value per hour of certain projects, aiming to have a specialist working on this project within a few hours. So they will have a very short deadline, and they will ask you to complete a project maybe in 3 or 4 hours, or maybe in 6 hours, and those projects with short deadlines will have a Searchurge, will have an extra payout. Searchurging is added to a project if this one has low competition, and we refer to these increased taxes as Searchurge. Okay, now that is Searchurge. Now let's see what they have mentioned about levels. Working frequently and getting good ratings. The levels on the platform describe the experience of the specialist with no more, the spelling is wrong. Okay, one thing I need to tell you here, that the content or the copywriting on this website is not perfect. There are a lot of grammatical mistakes. There are a lot of English errors on this website, and I'm sure they're working on it, but right now when I'm recording this video, there are a lot of mistakes that I can find, and you can also see when we go through the different parts of this website. Okay, so this will be no more, KNOWMORE, no more. It says the levels of the platform describe the experience of the specialist with no more. If you are experienced, it will be experienced and have good ratings, you can earn much more. Okay, that's what we saw on Surcharge. Your level increases with the more projects you do and the higher rating that you get. For example, to become level 4, you need to execute 100 projects and maintain a rating of above 9.2. Okay, above 9.2, only then you can get into level 4. And we saw that for level 5 you need 200 plus projects with a rating of 9.5. okay, all right, let's go back and check for the working hours. Working hours are the time you spent, is the time that you spent on the project, and you can be logged on the platform for hours, but what counts are only effective working hours on live projects. Okay, so you'll be working on live projects, they will be detecting the working hours that you spend on each project. Now that's all we have with the earning potential. Let's just see if we work full time like 40 hours and we are at level 5 and we are getting 20%, 20 to 25% projects with Surcharge. The biggest potential or the highest potential is 2250 USD, which is a big number to me. Okay, so that's what you should aim for when you start working on this platform. But then if you are just starting and you are giving only half the time, like 20 hours, and you are at level 1 or level 2, let's see, level 2 with no Surcharge, you can earn around 650 USD, which is not bad for a starter, right? And if you are in level 1, it will also be same for level 1 and level 2. The numbers are not changing much, so your potential earning for level 1 and level 2 would be around 650 USD. So that's how much you can earn on no more if you are a professional and good quality designer. So that's all I have in this video. Let's see the various parts of this landing page and the other options that we have here in the next videos. Thanks a lot for watching.